thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Death, Smith, and Randall.